and I see quite a lot of people joining in. So today we are going to talk about drum rolls, about jewelry again. So we're going to talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 earrings, 5 pairs of earrings, and we'll talk about how to style them, how you can look super chic on in this wedding season, and what all pieces you must own in this wedding season. Nid says lovely earrings. Thank you so much. We're going to talk about these first. So these are from the brand called You Bella. This is how the box looks like, if you guys can see. Hi Lizzie, we're talking about accessorizing and silver jewelry. Stay tuned. We're going to talk a lot about fashion, accessorizing, and a lot of good things basically. So this is the box. It says You Bella, and the brand is You Bella basically, and it says because you are beautiful. This is so sweet, right? The packaging is really thoughtful. It's a very sturdy cardboard packaging. The earrings came in this, and I'm wearing these right here. We'll get into the details later if you want to see it closely. Just let me know if you guys can see it clearly, right? Lizzie says that she's super excited for the live, and so am I. Then we have the next pair of earrings from the brand called Aradhya, and it's a beautiful Chand Bali, if you guys can see. It's super pretty, and it has some transparent stones right here which actually look a little bluish, which makes them even more cute and even more stylish. So it's from the brand called Aradhya. They're actually a homegrown brand, and these are super pretty, super chic, and the brand actually stands for versatility and timeless pieces, and that's all we are here for, right? Nid says it's like a Chand Bali and Jhumka. This one is like a Chand Bali, and it has beautiful peacocks in the center. Really pretty. Next up, we have a brand called Voila, and these are really cool. So these are not your usual silver earrings. These are actually made up of brass. They look silver, however, they are made up of brass. So that's actually really cool, and this is super chic, super elegant. This is really nice. Then the next one that we have is from the brand called Zaveri Pearls. This is how the box looks like, and the earrings are right here. This one is my personal favorite, guys. Pay attention to this one. This is how the earrings look like. We'll get into the details. And this one is from Zaveri Pearls. This is just... Okay, so do you guys want to guess the prices of these ones? Let's get back to the first one itself. This is the first one from the brand called You Bella. This one is priced at rupees. If you guys can guess, you can put in a figure, but I will let you guys know. These beautiful Kashmiri earrings are priced at rupees 185 rupees only. Can you believe it? 185 only for such beautiful pieces from the brand called You Bella. You can shop for these from the link in our bio. Just tap on it, and if you're already liking them, you can shop for these very easily. So I see people typing that these are for 250 or 500. Guys, they've got you covered. These are super affordable and beautiful quality. Just for 185 rupees, right? This is from the brand You Bella, 185 rupees only. Link is in our bio. So that's super cool, right? The second one, this one, the Chand Bali right here, from the brand called Aradhya. You guys can guess the price again, and you won't be able to guess it. So let me do it for you guys. It's just for rupees 215 rupees. 215, that's it. Like, आजकल क्या आता है 215 रुपए में 215 185 rupees. What do you get in 185 rupees today, right? So this is from the brand called Aradhya, a homegrown brand. Beautiful Chand Bali, just for 215. Then we have the next one, the one I was talking about. This one is the brass. You guys can see. From the brand called Voila. They actually make pieces that are wearable on an everyday basis and are versatile. You can wear these with even a kurti, a sari, or maybe even with jeans or crop top or anything, right? So these are just for... Let me see what all you guys are guessing. वैसे somebody's... अच्छा, So you guys are saying that, okay, so many people are saying I thought these were for 300, 350, all of these. These are really pretty brass earrings from the brand called Voila. And they are priced again at just 230 rupees. The link is in our bio. Don't forget to tap on it and buy. Lizzie says 600 for these. These are just for 230, Lizzie. Go get your hands on these. The link is in our bio. Then next up we have Zaveri Pearls. This is one brand I really adore. This is actually used by so many celebrities and influencers as well. So I kind of trust the brand so much. And the earring that you get is super pretty. Here is what it looks like. From the brand called Zaveri Pearls. Lizzie says that's amazing, definitely getting this. Absolutely. So this one is the fourth pair of earring. This is from the brand called Zaveri Pearls, and it is priced at just 399. Such beautiful quality. I just wish you guys could just touch it because it's so good. The intricate designs, the beads right here, the beads, in fact it's very intricate. It's like some kundan ka kaam kiya hua. You can actually wear it with a sari to a wedding. If you're a wedding guest, you can wear this with a beautiful pink sari because it has the pink detail here, and you'll definitely rock it. People are going to ask where you got it from, and people are not going to be able to guess that these are just for 400 rupees. Actually 399. So next up we have Carrot Cart. This is the fifth pair of earring. Hi, I am Anshul. We're talking about accessorizing here, and this is the next pair of earring. It comes again in a cardboard box. When you open it, these are so pretty. I'll just take one out. And this is how it looks like. So beautiful. I just love the work here. These are actually from Carrot Cart's tribal collection, and it's so beautiful. It's a beautiful jhumki. Hi Pooja Chauhan. We're talking about accessorizing and this beautiful jhumki from the brand Carrot Cart. These are just for rupees 292, and the link is in our bio. If you guys are liking them already, shop for these from our bio. Just for this one is just for rupees 292. If you like any of these, you guys can shop for them. Sugar Spice and Ice is asking what was the brand you're wearing. So I am wearing the brand called You Bella. It comes in this box, and this is how it looks like. Please let me know if you guys can see it clearly. It's a Kashmiri earring. It's actually like, as Nids mentioned in the comments, that it is like a Chandbali with a jhumki. So you get best of both worlds, right? So this is the first one. And this is from You Bella.